Wonder by K.A. Holt and Kenard Pak. I wonder. What if the sun is really a kite? Is cereal afraid of the spoon? I wonder if sandwiches get mad when you bite them. What if the ocean is one big water bottle? Do tires get tired? I wonder if dragonflies dog paddle. Do bubbles tickle everything they touch? Is a fly a baby in the morning and an old man at night? Does a grasshopper take hopping lessons? I wonder if cars and trucks speak the same language. Do windmills ever get tired? Where are all the unicorns hiding? I wonder if boy ladybugs are called boy bugs. What do clouds taste like? Do my toys miss me when I'm gone? How does a clock know what time it is? I wonder if books read us too. What do stars do during the day? Is wind made or born? Do trees have dreams? I wonder if teddy bears ever cry. Why don't shadows smile when you smile? I wonder how tomorrow knows how to get here. I wonder why I wonder so much. Because you are wonderful. The end.